The fuel rail pressure sensor serves a straightforward purpose. It measures the fuel rail pressure and sends this data to the ECM. In some cases, the sensor also monitors the fuel temperature. Simply put, the ECM uses the sensor's data to calculate and send signals to the fuel pump control module, which adjusts the fuel pump speed. This system is part of what's known as an electronic returnless fuel system. Here's where you can typically find the fuel rail pressure sensor on a Ford Fusion. However, some vehicles may not have this sensor and instead use a fuel pressure regulator. Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the symptoms of a bad fuel rail pressure sensor. First symptom is check engine light. When the ECM detects a problem with the sensor, it activates the check engine light. These are some of the common codes related to a faulty fuel rail pressure sensor. If you want a reliable scanner to check these codes, I've linked the one I use in the description below. Keep in mind, a faulty sensor might not always trigger the check engine light. Second symptom is hard starting. If your car struggles to start, requiring longer cranking than usual, the sensor could be the culprit. A faulty sensor may send incorrect fuel pressure readings to the ECM, causing it to miscalculate and run the engine either to lean or to rich, both of which lead to starting issues. Third symptom is engine stalling. Random stalling while parked or driving is another sign. If the sensor sends inaccurate pressure readings, the ECM adjusts the air-fuel ratio incorrectly. This disrupts combustion, causing your engine to stall unexpectedly. Fourth symptom is poor performance. When your vehicle feels sluggish or lacks power, a faulty sensor could be at play. For optimal performance, the engine relies on the right air-fuel ratio. Incorrect data from the sensor can throw off this balance, leading to reduced power output. Fifth symptom is poor fuel economy. A bad sensor can cause fuel economy to plummet. If the ECM is misled, it may inject either too much or too little fuel into the combustion chamber. This imbalance forces you to refuel more often than usual. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe.